if you want to enjoy Nkwobi that looks like that woman's Nkwobi you ate in one beer parlor that you have been thinking, see, this is the way you're going to do it. You want to use cow head, no, cow legs, and I'm adding the ears. These ears will make it look bam and taste nice when you finish cooking it. So it is the ears are optional. So I'm adding a lot of water and I will cover it, no maggi or whatsoever. After, as it's cooking and after it must have finished cooking, I'm going to remove I'm going to remove all the bones and set everything aside. I'm showing it to see you how I cut them in small cubes and sizes. Now the meat, the broth I used for the other one, I use it to cook this one, and after cooking I have diced them and I'll put them in a pot. You can put it in any pot you want. This is the legs and that the ear that I have chopped in. So I'm going to pour everything. I added a little tiny bit of water and I'm cooking it on a low medium heat. So I add the salt, and you can add salt, not salt. I'm adding maggi and crayfish. So after this I am going to add salt if you want. I didn't add salt honestly. So this time I'm going to turn it and leave it to cook. I want it to be warm, very warm. See the oil, there's almost no water in it. So now I'm going to prepare the account. You're going to use account for this and put hot water or warm water. Just let it melt down. You can use your spoon to smash it if you want, or you can use ungo too. So I have added the account in the clay pot that I use. Then I add oil, and then I'm going to stir until it is a bit thickened. So as it's thickening, you want to make sure you stir it properly till you can see that it's thickened at least. So it is time for me to add ehuru. Yes, I add ehuru, and then I add crayfish, and I'll add Cameroon pepper. This one is what I like because it will give it nice taste. And then I have to turn it, and I turned it, and after turning I added a little bit of salt and stock cube. Yes, you want to keep testing them to make sure you don't overdo it. So it is time for me to add the meat, the ear and the cow leg. Remember, the ear is optional, but if you add it, if you can find it in the market, it is very delicious. So then I will now turn them and make sure they all incorporate together. If the meat is too much, the sauce is too much, you can separate it. So this is how I cook them, and then I'll serve it in a plate and add otasin leaf. Yes, this otasin leaf, you can't skip it because it has very good taste for the nkwobi. And add ring onions. I prefer using the white one. And that is it for today. Until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.